Hey everyone, the trap was sprung again. What do we have in here? We have a possum. Look at that fella. Look at him. Or her. Pretty small. Yeah. Still alive. He's gonna survive. I'm a nice guy. Here. These guys don't hurt much. Not as bad as the trash pandas, the raccoons. There you go. Well, I guess you don't want to go. We'll have to open it up. There we go. Does he want out? He's just gonna sit there and play possum. It's your chance. Otherwise you get the duck pond. Like a raccoon. I don't think he's gonna go. I'm gonna have to shake him out. I just don't want to get out. What the hell? Freedom. Trying to be nice.